Hey everyone, it's me again. So today, right, I'm going to show you how do I use the latest blusher colors that Mary Kay gave us for those who are awarded. Congratulations to all the blusher achievers. So today, right, I'm going to do this color. I'm using this as eyeshadow today to show you how do I use this color for my eyes. So I'm going to first using the latte color. I love this latte color. You can use it as a base first, or you can use it as a contour color. So I like to use my contouring powder to contour here so that my face looks sharper. And then you can also contour on your hair area. So you can do a tree so that it gives you that much more slimming face. Ta-da! So first thing first, I am going to put my eye primer. So eye primer primes your eye makeup, make it long lasting. So I'm going to put 2 dots, good enough for 2 eyes. Okay, good. So then after that, right, I'm going to use my eyeshadow color. I always have to. So first thing first, I'm going to use my latte color as my base. I like to highlight, as in like contour my eye area here. Okay, I need my mirror. Very nice color. So if you tend to have puffy eyes like me early in the morning, right? You can use this as a contour color. I'm going to teach you how to do a natural nude color today. Ta-da! Okay, then after that, you can use your shy blush color. 2/3 of your eye area. So you need to make sure you clean your brush properly. I know that you're panicking because shy blush, right? Actually, shy blush is not so pinkish, not so obvious color. It's very light color. It's very faint color for like if you want to apply red lips or you want to apply prominent lips, right? You can use shy blush for your blusher. It's very light, so it will not affect the whole look. So you can see it's a very faint pink color. It's very faint pink color, so not to worry. Okay, then after that, right, you can just finish off with your eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna use my black eyeliner. So I'm done with my eyeliner. Can you see it's just a very faint color, right? And you look very, very good already. And then after that, right, you can use this glaze as your highlighter. Yeah, I like this glaze. It's like a very warm tone highlighter color. Ta-da! And then you can use your shy blush again. Okay, for a very faint blusher color. So if you have, for me, right, I'm considered like a square kind of face shape, but close to oval shape actually. But I have square jawline actually. Yeah, but so when you want to apply your blusher, right, you apply above the nose line area, and then one finger apart, and then just like this. Okay, for your blusher. But if you have like a square kind of or rectangle kind of face, right, you can actually use this Juicy Peach, right, to do like a contour purposes, but just make sure it's here will do. For contouring purposes, you can just apply this area. Yeah, so it doesn't give you that, if you find that you put too much, it's fine, not to worry. You can actually use your highlighting powder, which is this glaze again, okay, to go over it. So this is how you correct your blusher properly. So remember, if you have oval face shape, you do only here, this part area, okay? But if you have like square face shape, right, you can do it here and here. If you have round shape, just put a little bit will do, so you don't emphasize so much on your cheeks area. So the Juicy Peach, also you can use it as an eyeshadow. If you have a different eye color, I'm going to show you. Actually, with this eye color, it's very nude. You can use for all lipstick color. Red, orange, pink. You can do even the latest color that we have this. Yesterday I was showing you the lip lacquer, right? So this one, I'm using the rose color today. Yeah, rose color. So I'm showing you. You can use rose color. But make sure that you actually exfoliate your lips first before you use this, because this is very... You need to have flawless lips, free from dead cells. Then you apply this, it's nicer. So this is rose color. It's very good for everyday use, for work. Imagine you wear this lip and then it lasts you for 1 year. As in, like, this lip color lasts you for 1 year because you put like one time, but you put one layer will do. Don't put too much layer, it's not very hard to remove. Okay. And then after that, right, you put your lip lacquer. Okay, coincidentally, it will not stain your stick, you see? It's still clear one. It will not stain your stick, okay? Then after that, you can put the... Then after that, when you're done, you can put the eraser over. It will not stick to your lips, not to worry. Okay, so I show you, this is the one that I use often. I've been using it for the past 2 days. It doesn't stick on your... you remove, right? It doesn't change the color of this eraser, and it erases very easily, but you have to erase a few times. Yeah, so show you later in my eraser. I'll show you later for the eraser thingy. But you see this rose color? Isn't it nice to use it, this color for everyday use? Okay, good. So next one, I'm going to show you using the Juicy Peach eyeshadow color. So I'm going to take it off. So another way to applying the color will be Juicy Peach and Latte. So I'm using the Juicy Peach first. Okay, it's really red for this one. Okay, I didn't take out my eyeliner, but I'm just going to show you. This is Juicy Peach. You can use it as an eyeshadow color. This is more Korean kind of look. Okay, and then you can use your latte color. Make sure your brushes are really clean. You use the latte color at the side to create a higher contour if you want to. Okay, then you can use latte as your highlighter. Okay. So I like to use this kind of fluffy brush for my highlighter. So I use latte color for my highlighter. So this is a much more orangey kind of Korean look. So you can use this color, or you can use the cherry color that I showed you yesterday, earlier on. You can use this rose and cherry color, this two. Okay, so and then you can actually, if you want to use the berry color, I'll choose another eyeshadow color to show you. So now I'm going to remove my lipstick first. I'm going to show you. So first thing first, I'm going to use the eraser to remove my lips. You can apply a few more, okay, to remove it. takes off everything. Ta-da! Done! So this is how you use the lip eraser. Okay, cool. So next, right, I'm going to choose this cherry color which I applied the other time round to show you. You can actually use this eyeshadow color for cherry as well. I'll show you just now I used the rose color. Now I'm going to use the cherry color. So make sure you hydrate your lips. Huh? If your lips are dry, you feel a bit tingling sensation, it's normal. This is with new technology. See, you can use this color for this red lips as well. Okay, good. So next, right, I'm going to show you how to use this plum color. So for the next color, right, if you want to use the plum color, you need to make sure that your eyeshadows are natural to nude, not coral, because just now I showed you the coral kind of look. So I'm going to use this just latte color as my base. Oh, sorry, not latte color, glaze color as my base. So because it's base color, I can color everything. And then I'm going to use the latte color, this color, as my contour color. Ta-da! So it's brownish kind of effect. I quite like the brown. And then, you know, if you have a lot of wrinkles on your eye area, right, use a matte color. So this glaze, right, is not so shining. So it's suitable for all eyes. You know, for those, even if you have wrinkles, it's okay. Because if you have a lot of wrinkles, right, don't use shimmery powder. It's very obvious after that, okay? So then after that, you can see I use a very matte latte color to create that contour so that my eyes doesn't look so puffy. And then I am going to use plum color. So I'm going to show you. This is very in right now, the color. A lot of Chinese women in China, they all use this color. So apply one time, don't need to apply so many times. It's not very hard to remove. I really love this plum color. So you can use it for party. Generally, I rarely apply this kind of color because I find that it makes my lips look quite dark. See, I always like to make a mess. If you make a mess out of it, not to worry. You can use your concealer or your liquid foundation and then you apply around the edge area. Ta-da! Well-defined lips already. This is how I cheat. So normally if you are wearing a very prominent lip color, then your eyeshadow should be very nude, just like mine, like that. If you want to wear it for daily use, you can. But I prefer to use this at night. If I were to go clubbing, drinking wine, lounge, you know, I will wear this makeup for at night. Yeah. So this is how I look for a night look. Okay. Alright, so if you have any questions, you can, if you're interested to order anything, just PM me for information. I'll look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. I hope that this video is useful for you. Please share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye! Oh, I forgot to mention that the packs, it comes in like one packet with 3 items together. So I know that you'll use this for about 1 year, a very long time, because the lipstick you apply one time and it lasts you the whole day. You don't even need to touch up. But you must need this lip eraser to remove the lipstick. Okay, this is a new technology. And then if you're interested in to try other marykay products, and if you're not served by any marykay consultants, just look for me. My name is Julia. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye!